So we're going to be doing this fish today, steamed fish. It's very, very simple, really delightful. Today we're using black sea bream. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the fish that we're using today is called a black sea bream. So it looks very much like a sea bream. You can see it's got that kind of yellow and that kind of black mark in there. It's been cleaned. It's a really, really, really beautiful fish. Let's get moving. So when I say this has been cleaned, the guts have been taken out, it's been descaled, bit of the tail's been taken off, and his sharp fins all off. What we're going to do, take a sharp knife, and we're just going to cut into it, as you can see, just slightly. You know, we're not going to be going in too much, a couple of millimeters maybe. I'm going to do the other side, then we're ready. With this one today, very simply, we're just going to get salt and pepper on it. Be quite generous with both. And then I'm going to flip that over and once again do the other side. So we're going to be steaming this fish today, and I've got a bamboo steamer, as you can see, but you can use a metal one or a plastic one. There's many types, but we're going to go with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice some lemon and I'm going to lay it on the bottom there. So you can see I've got some lemon on there, and we're just going to place the fish on that. It just about fits. Okay, so why did I put the lemon there? Two reasons. One, obviously some flavour is going to steam through there and help flavour that fish. And two, it will stop it sticking to the bottom. Sometimes your fish can stick to the bamboo or the metal surface. So I've got a pan there with about 1/3 of water, cold water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some aromatics in the water, so as it steams, it's going to be adding more flavour. So I've got 4 cloves, 5 green cardamom, a little bit of bay, and a little bit of sliced ginger. Think about other things, cinnamon. You know, get some. You can actually get some more lemon in there, a whole lemon if you want, something like that. Heat on high. Just bring that to a boil. So you can see that's boiling away. I'm going to turn it down a bit, so we're just going to kind of rolling boil. We don't want it going crazy. We're then going to get our fish and put our steamer on. And as you can see the steam coming through, we've got some nice aromatics in that water. Like I say, add what you want. You can do it without anything, but I think it just adds a little bit of something there, you know. So on goes the lid, and I'll be back here in about 9 minutes, I think, for that size fish. So I'll just turn the heat off. Let's get some steam out of there for you. And that is really beautiful, really, really easy and super tasty. Okay, so you can see that I've dressed that just with a little bit of cucumber, onion and some bell pepper. What I like to do now is get some of the old beautiful pure sesame oil just on there, a little drizzle. We can put as little or as much as you want just on that fish. And that is fabulous, really, really good. Beautiful stuff, well done, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.